dale tu con. Hush.
Alright guys, we are starting off the day moving all these damn cars. I have 4 cars right now. Well, I have to, include my mom's car right now because I gotta move that bitch around right now. But, man, so we are, I don't know why I threw my key to the side when I kind of needed to start the car, right? Getting used to all these keys too. Oh my God, I can't even see. Alright. Did it die? Oh, no. That means something's killing the battery too, bro. Fuck me. That's a new battery, bro. Fuck. It had to be the terminal or something, bro. Just not connected, bro. Because... Okay, that's what it is. I thought I had to jump it or something. But look, so right now, look, you see? Speaker right here. This is a cold start for the day. I don't want to be too, I don't want to lose too much, coolant on my system or anything. I don't, cause the fucking shit is busted. But here, we're gonna try to get this in as fast as possible. Oh my God, can I get the D? A form of D? Alright. So we're gonna try to get this in as fast as possible. Right now, I do personally barely have any space because we just pushed my car a little bit. I'm not in shit. I'm trying to get in, creep past the Miata, and make sure I'm clear over here. She's gonna stop right here, only cause if anything drips coolant wise, I want this all to drip down. Look, it already looks like it's been dripping, so I'm gonna just utilize that. I gotta bring my mop car. Crazy. I bet. I don't think the system shouldn't even have that much in there, but
you can really just fucking drain it from the hose up there.
Yeah, well, once I start dropping everything, I feel like it'll just be chill. Alright, y'all, we gonna start figuring everything out.
Right,
yeah, you see that buildup right on the fan? Alright, so we do have another.
You got an aftermarket intake. You gotta tighten it.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
That shit gotta be tightened.
Yeah, I'm gonna put.
You should spot for the zip ties because it's not.
No, I know what you're saying, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna put this on too because that's an old ass filter.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
What? That's a turbo, nigga?
That's a. So yeah, that's
a housing.
Yeah, that's my boy's turbo housing. Yeah, I know, right? I'll be using that as videos. But I'm gonna fuck with that later, but don't worry about that. Just fuck with the host right now. I thought it died today, but nah, it was just the terminal.
That's a new battery.
Yeah, the terminal was just tweaked out, so I gotta tighten that bitch. For sure. Let me close this one, man. I got too much shit going on, y'all. This is my mom's. All right, guys. I'm gonna start taking all this bullshit out. We're gonna start with taking this off. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys right here. Y'all gonna be chilling. What's up, Jazz? Y'all gonna be chilling over there for a second. We're gonna start by taking these hoses off. Just hose for hose, bro. Start getting some needle nose pliers, bro. Any hose that I see connected, I'm gonna basically try to just get off right now. Try to get loose. You see that? Pull that out. You see all that coolant starting to fall already. I don't know if I should grab something. For all that bullshit. In case. So yeah, we're gonna just be, look, I need a zip tie or something for that later. On my way back in. Gotta make sure we get all these clips. Damn, these clips are probably stuck in there. Probably been years. Alright guys, so I'm struggling a little bit because obviously these are from the 19 shitties. I did not even strip this, bro, and this is the problem, like, you feel me? Everything you see, I don't know if you saw me like push all that out. Look, everyone is like just nasty, but we got this shaken out right now. I just got to connect a few things in the bottom screw, but the bottom screw on this, I'm going to show you guys right now. I just asked him, my boy, to go grab some vice grip for me if he could. But the bottom bolt is stripped. I barely even, you feel me, did anything to it or moved it around. So I'm gonna be trying to use some vice grips to get to it right now. Because look, bro. Like, you feel me? I barely even, like, it barely even looked like it's on there for real. And it's just stripping. I don't know if I could use a 9, but bro, that's clearly a 10, my guy. You feel me? So I'm just trying to, you feel me, get all these cracking slowly but surely though. So just stay in tune to what you see. It's just annoying shit going on. My ass just got drenched, boy. I probably just fucking scraped my fucking finger again. But bro, she coming out. Oh, just fucking shitting on me. So we know what coolant we need to look for. The green one. Okay, so there goes one hose though. I should have probably like left that shit in the system and put it up. But it just fell out. All good in the hood. So wait, that's like, nah, it can't be. That's probably why they made it green. All right, bro. Oh, that was shitty. Oh man, that was shitty as hell. So right now I have to do this line as well, but you see which way it's facing? Like, why would it be facing up? And then this is the last other bolt that I gotta get down to. Hey guys, we finally got her out, as you could tell. And then you see the brackets that hold it. Damn, so there is a whole nother, like, whole nother system. Or whatever. What is that?
What's talking about? I think it's your AC condenser.
Okay, yeah, that's what it might be. Because that's why the AC is connected right there. Yeah.
Yo.
For sure. So I wonder if that is the spot, because I don't see any other metal lines. Like, spots to fill it. Maybe I gotta look up a video. Make sure that it's gonna be over that. I'm gonna lift this bitch up. So no trans is coming out. That's what it is, I think. Cause it's coming off the, so that means I probably gotta find the trans fluid line, yeah? Just fill it up a little bit. But yeah, right now I gotta take this off. I gotta install these noses right here. You see that? So I gotta install those. And then basically I'm gonna just make sure everything's cool. Install it the ways that it needs to be. And then start to plug up everything back. I gotta take this fan off specifically. But then after that, we should be kosher, bro. We should be pretty good. Oh, and then don't forget these. I think these might, yeah, you need those for the bottom to go back down here.
Stop vibration.
So make sure you grab those off the original if you haven't. Other than that, we're gonna get this bitch together. Let's piece it together. All right, guys. So what I'm doing is basically matching everything and trying to get all the bolts on now. I know with the fan and stuff, like you probably should have, you feel me? I probably should have done it separately, but it's okay because I just didn't want to scratch the radiator. You feel me? Like on the way in. So, cause it's already like, it was bought like this. So I don't want to fuck it up even more. Any of those, whatever they're called. So I'm just going to be putting it in, like, you feel me? Sliding it in, hopefully, and then sliding it right down. Right now I got to put these pucks on the bottom. Make sure I put those in. You feel me? And then right now I'm trying to think. There's like nothing else that I would need right now. I'm just trying to match all the brackets that I remember taking off. But I think I could just drop it in and then go from there. So stay in tune, y'all. I'm going to try dropping her in and just matching up all the hoses, making sure everything's good. There's 2 lines down there. Those are the trans lines, I think. And then a little long struggle later, guys. I got a couple bolts on. I'm starting to add the coolant. And then I have to do this one last bracket too that I have to add back for that to sit there. It doesn't look like none of the, you feel me, lines are really touching anything crazy. Everything seems like it's put back. And I started to, you feel me, start to fill that up a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to buy some more coolant. I'll have to buy some more coolant, bro. Alright guys, everything is back in. The fans was working. Well, I think they go on when they I'm gonna change this intake too though. That's gonna be a different video, but yeah, we got that new radiator in and we are kosher. So there he goes. There go the fans. Yeah, we're good, bro. That's money. All right, next we gotta also install the AC compressor. Somebody could swipe up and let me know, bro. If that's the AC compressor right there, I'm pretty sure it is. And if, like, I think it needs an AC belt. I don't know if it wraps around like all 3 of those belts. And then what fucking sounds is gonna make after. And then I might have to see if I need a new AC compressor or not. But that would be worth changing, bro. Another thing is that I gotta do, I gotta like fucking siphon this power steering because it's so dirty, bro. So I'm gonna like get a turkey baster and fucking do that shit. So guys, it sounds good. So yeah, like you see this doesn't have a belt. I'm pretty sure this is the AC compressor. Somebody could swipe up and let me know, but I think, hold on. I think this is a chunk of that belt, bro, to be honest with you guys. So I think I just might need to put a new belt on there and we'll see what happens from there.